Andariki Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. If you are watching my video for the first time, do watch all the videos, and if you really like it, do subscribe because it's not going to cost anything, but it gives me a lot of motivation. So please do it. Today's video is going to be Diwali cleaning, and this is going to be a very casual vlog. I'm going to tell you all the cleaning products which I'm using for a easy cleaning, some simple kitchen hacks, and those things you'll be watching in this video, and some of my singing. So all this, let's have fun cleaning. So let's get started. Much of water in this. I have added 2 cups of synthetic vinegar, and then the cost of this vinegar is just MRP itself is 32 rupees. So, and then I have added few drops of Pril. So you can add any dishwasher you want. So I have added this Pril. So tamarind shine Pril dishwasher. Okay. Yes. So let's start washing this window. So there is a saying like cleanliness is godliness. That is right. But how many of them do it every day? So it's really difficult in our busy lives. Like we will be running and we it's very difficult. Like we look back to see like the house is very dirty. And okay, I'm very happy there is some festive occasions like Diwali or Pongal, so that we exclusively take time to clean few places. And one such place is this window, that too this kitchen window. Oh my god, lot of dirt and lot of food, because we are cooking. There will be lot of like oil stains and everything, because we do everyday cooking there. So it's really necessary we clean that window once in a while. So today is going to be this window cleaning and some of the kitchen tops. So I'll be showing you how I did it and how the dirt is going in the super solution. Actually this some dishwash liquid, and then this synthetic vinegar. The synthetic vinegar has a lot of purposes with respect to cleaning. It cleans a lot of things, and the dirt, even the heavy stains are like you don't have to keep rubbing or putting so much of effort to clean the windows or any place. So using the synthetic vinegar, it's like the job is going to be very easy. So we found like in our window there's a lot of like thick deposition, because it's been quite some time like we cleaned this window. So there's one more product which is nothing but a baking soda. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda inside the same water mixture which we have done as done some time back. So use that to remove the stuff stains. As you can see in the video, just one wipe using the scotch or the steel thing, so it immediately it takes off. It doesn't need any effort. The job is going to be very easy. So do add even baking soda inside this water. So what you can do is, with this water mixture you can just spray all over the window surface and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, if you start cleaning, it will be even more easier job to just fat you can just clean it and finish it off. So it's always easy, like if you have a companion, instead of doing alone sitting and cleaning, if you have a companion, it will be even more happy. We can chit chat, we can sing a song. So those were happening when I was doing this cleaning. Actually that's my mom was doing the cleaning. I'm just assisting her because I was taking the video and I was showing all the products. So me and my mom was sitting, but I was also singing, but that wasn't getting recorded properly. So I'll redo the singing now. நேற்று இல்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது, காற்றில் என் காதில் ஏதோ சொன்னது, இதுதான் காதல் என்பதா, இளமை பொங்கிவிட்டதா, இதயம் சிந்திவிட்டதா, சொல் மனமே, நேற்று இல்லாத மாற்றம் என்னது, காற்று என் காதில் ஏதோ சொன்னது. That was just a quick try, so do comment me if you really like that. Okay, so get back to work. We are done with the grills, and my mom was also cleaning the windows. Lot of stains actually, but this time we found it very easy because of this cleaning solution. So you also give it a try using this cleaning solution and let me know how easy the task was using this solution. So after that, what we did is we just closed all the windows because we are in the first floor. So down there is a car parking. So if we pour the water like that, then the car owners are going to come back to us. So what we did is we just closed all the windows and we start pouring water just to clean up all the detergents, and then we are giving a nice wipe. You know what happened? In my channel, I have posted like couple of singing videos because I'm like so passionate about singing. So do check it out in my playlist for all those. So every video has got this copyright. So how many of them are facing this? Every video has a copyright problem. So even the singing which I have done, that song has been copywritten by someone, and I don't know what song to put in the background. Oh my god, it's really a problem. How many of them have these problems? Do comment me. ஸோ ஒரு வழியாக விண்டோவை க்ளீன் பண்ணி முடிச்சாச்சு. அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா இந்த பக்கமும் அந்த பக்கமும் tiles இருக்கு. Lot of stains again on the tiles. So start using the same solution. Fat clean even the tiles. So ஒரே solution for all the problems. எது மாதிரினா ஒரே ஒரு மாத்திரை உடம்புல இருக்கிற எல்லாவாதையும் சரியா போயிடணும், அந்த சொல்யூஷன் தான் இந்த சொல்யூஷன். ஸோ ஈவன் ஃபார் தி கிச்சன் கவுண்டர் டாப் யூஸ் த சேம் சொல்யூஷன் டு டேக் ஆஃப் த வெரி ஹார்டஸ்ட் ஸ்டெயின் so easily as you are seeing in this video. Okay, a quick tip here. So we are staying in a rented apartment. So what we found here is in this countertop there is no slit at the end of the countertop. So in the if there is a slit in this countertop, how much ever you pour the water, it doesn't come down or fall down. So that will be even more easier. So if you are someone who is going to do some kitchen work or constructing or doing some renovation, make it a point like you have this corner slit so that the water you pour will easily go into the sink rather than falling down. We found it very difficult while we are washing this. This is yet another useful product which I wanted to show you guys, like this water puller. We got this from D-Mart. The cost of this is also very less because it's a plastic thing, but it takes off the waters very neatly, very neatly. I think everyone will be having this, but I'm just telling this is a small sized, that is mainly for this kitchen countertops, and it's very useful. It makes the countertop very dry in a watery surface. It's like really very useful product. So if you are not using it, immediately go to either D-Mart or you can even find that in Amazon. So do check that and buy one. இந்த வேலைலாம் நடந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் ஒரு கூத்தடிச்சேன். என்னன்னா, there was a paint dabba in my house. So I thought like, why don't we color this grill? So I took that paint and then I started painting the grills. But it turned out to be a little disaster. But so what I did is I just painted only the corners. As you can see, I have just painted on the corners to just give it a light or give it a border. It's kind of okay. So you can also try like these experiments at your home. It almost took, I think, close to 1.5 hours, having my kid coming in for some time, we taking rest and all, everything came close to 1.5 hours only. And we are like highly satisfied after doing this. The kitchen countertop and the windows and the side tiles were like really, really shining now. So happy. So we are even thinking like we should do this once in a while, often, from here on. So let's see how that works out. So if you find this video very useful, or you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, please. Meet you again in yet another video. Yes, the next video is going to be like kitchen hacks video and the super product which I'm going to show you. So do subscribe. Bye for now.